नमस्कार दोस्तों, आपको हमारा चैनल में स्वागत है। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल यूनटेक वर्ल्ड। Hello friends, welcome to my channel Untitled World. In this video tutorial, I am explaining how to use your laptop desktop as an interactive board. There is no any additional hardware is required for using interactive board. Most of all, we are explaining on your online tutorial. We have used your desktop screen. Yes, this is most probably interactive screen is required for using this type of activities, but I am explaining on this today's video tutorial. It is a very simple and easiest way to you can use your laptop desktop screen as an interactive screen. So how? It is very simple. It is one simple trick you can use anywhere, any PC, any desktop, any laptop screen as an your interactive screen. No any additional hardwares are required. No any additional pen is required for using this type of activities. It is very simple. Anywhere you can explaining on your gaming explanation, yeah, image explanation, yeah, your web browser explanation, yeah, presentation time you want to use to highlight anything on your screen is very difficult. So you can use this software, very simple and easiest way to download, that is called as an Epic Pen. So it is one of the free version and it can be downloaded from internet on basic features are available. So how? So let's move on the video to how to use your Epic Pen on your laptop desktop screen. Let's move on the screen. Here you can see the Epic Pen is open. The link is already I'm giving on our description. I can explaining how does it work. Epic Pen allows you to draw over any application on Windows and Mac. Epic Pen never interrupts your work, allowing you to continue using your application seamlessly even with the drawing on the screen. So I am going to how to download. It is very simple. You can click on download for free. Two features are available. One is basic feature. It is basically download from pen and easy eraser and screen crop tool, and also 16 colors of pen is available for on the basic tools, and lines, squares, text tool, arrow tool and whiteboard, blackboard options are not available. If you want to use this option, you need to purchase for per machine 1500 rupees. The payment option will be open and you can download by your email address. Now we are using our simple basic version of the download tool and clicking on the Epic Pen download. The download will be big here and you need to enter email address if you want to receive any pen news and exclusive offers. Otherwise you can download by Epic Pen, and also it's available for Mac OS. If you are using Windows OS, you can download Epic Pen. Clicking over, the download will begin. The download is completed and it almost 16.7 MB of file. You need to install by basic simple trick. There is no any special tricks are available for installation. So I want to use the Epic Pen on launch by clicking on finish. Now the Epic Pen is open here. Every option will start on Control plus Shift plus 1 is the shortcut. Second one is Control plus 2. Third one is Control plus Shift plus 3 is a pen and a text. But text option is not available here because it is a free version. So I'm using pen color. And the fourth option is a line, arrow and circle. This option is not available because it is available on Pro edition only. And eraser is available. Clicking on simple on eraser by clicking Control plus Shift plus 5. And pen size, one is a very small and last one is a very large. And undo option, pressing Control plus Shift plus 6. And delete option is Control plus Shift plus 7. And whiteboard option is not available because it is available only Pro version. And screen capture by pressing this camera, the screen is captured. Yeah, Control plus Shift plus print screen on your keyboard. And last one is the menu is about help setting. Pressing on setting, there is no any difficult settings are available. You can simply using, and you want to change your hotkeys by pressing here. Pen color, quick color, 16 colors are available. So how it's work? Let's move. I'm opening this Google Chrome by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus 3. Yeah, clicking on this pen, and I have choosing the pen color is as a pink. I want to highlight this area, and you need to explain anywhere. It is very simple. It will be works over of your applications, and you want to clear this screen by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus 7 automatically. If you want to use this pen on your PowerPoint, I am opening on this PowerPoint and clicking on mouse and open the blank PowerPoint. For using this tool, you want to explain these tabs. So clicking on the pen and changing the color here. I am using this black color, and this is home tab, and the second one is insert, and third one is design and transition, animation, slideshow, review, view. This is the easiest way to use your interactive board as in your PC screen. This is the end of today's video tutorial. If you have any kind of query, you may text me on our comment box. We are replying your comments and queries. You are watching first time in our channel. Before leaving this video, you must subscribe and also hit the bell icon to choose all notification. You can get regular video updates in your YouTube page as well as notification area. Thanks for watching.